Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Clementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. At this day, I am talking about year 2017 onwards. Now, the voices on my left ear, is putting me on chest pain, heart pain, illness. Myself is shouting, of which is I not want the voices on my ear because it is so traumatization on myself. Because of they is killer, they not stop to talk. They talk on my ear. Now I will talk about year 2017. It is year 2025 already. And then those voices in my ear is so I could feel their enviousness is the happy their mood. Their self is envious, then it will towards to angriness, of which is they is not part of that wedding propose of myself to myself of Alex Sagentisa Jr. ko during year 2017. They not want me at the moment to talk. Why? Because they know that it is happy. And then it is a life of myself, life journey, life existence. It is such as on myself romance. And then what the right eye is doing is killing me. So, this part that I will say about year 2017 is enjoyment, being a person living on earth. And then this right eye does not want me to enjoy life and business. My God, I am a girl gender. And then Alex Jr. ko is a boy gender. Even honor of Alex Jr. ko is being envious of the right eye. Ang weird. That is not weird. Tahimik ko. Ah, ah. I'm not envious if Alex Jr. ko is first honor or cum laude. Why? Because I have my own body movement. Doon lang Alex ko. Bakit na Alex ko? I will talk now. That is during year to June. Oh, that is during myself is on difficultness to talk. That is during year 2017, June, month of June. It is month of June 2017. Then it starts on to be noticed, such as on Facebook chat, Alex Angjamentisa Jr., the Facebook name of Alex Angjamentisa Jr. ko, tends to online, offline, online, offline, online, offline, such that. That is what I noticed. Since myself is being returned on myself the feeling about him, love life during high school year, myself tends to observe if Alex Angjamentisa Jr. ko will be online or offline. When that is during year that is during June 19, June 15, June 3, June 13. June 13 is the start of it. Facebook chat, if you watch it, I don't know of how you will watch it. Alex Jr. ko will tend to online, offline. That is mine. I am Konian. Online, offline. Yung kabit talaga sumisingit. It starts June 13, the Alex Jr. ko when it comes to offline and offline. Then when I notice it, uh, that is during year 20, when, that is during what, year 20, June 13, 2017, I noticed it. Online, offline, online, offline of Alex Angjamentisa Jr. The next is during June 24, 20, June 24, 2017, the letter on numbers is I write it on paper. Sometimes on the second, sometimes on minute. That is what I write. About that, my my memory is being returned. The word is my memory is being returned. That is my first memory that is being returned on myself. Diyos ko. Next is, wait, The next is on that memory of myself, I remember Alex Angiomentisa Jr. ko. What? Alex Angiomentisa Jr. ko tends to uh, Alex Angiomentisa Jr. ko writes on notebook. That is during year 2011. Before Eileen Espartero and then Lloyd Dimson Salviejo, Leia Pagunsan happens the moment with myself and Alex Jr. ko. I not do wrong to any other person. It is not my fault. It is the faultness of a person that is looking on my mind. Why? Because I not know about it. I not know about there is a person that is looking on my mind. I am just response to Eileen Espartero because of the vibes at the moment is she is trying to destroy it. Why? Bakit kayo ganyan? Babae ako. Hindi nga ako gumagamit ng black magic eh. Timing ko. The next vibes is mother of Alex Jr. ko. Tends to be dramatic and then tends to ruin it. I don't know why. During yun. Yun. Na. I am on June 24, 2017. The person does not want me to talk. I need to explain it so that I could already in a situation of pampering and relaxation of such as the word happy happy. I am just inside of the house. I need to work. When it comes onto work, I am looking for work. I need to I not want to talk at the moment. They tends to destroy it on the use of talking and then the talking about is not specific, not literal to what I am saying. June 24, 2017, I remember the moment on during year 2011 about Alex Jr. ko is writing number and then letter and then looking on his wristwatch during that moment. Alex Jr. ko is brown color. And then, I remember Lloyd Dimson Salvio and Justin Magdadaro goes into this house, rental house, during year 2013 evening that uh, about about the hmm, about the number, meaning during that year 2013 morning evening. Now, and you, I am explaining. At the moment, the voice on my left ear is trying to destroy the moment. What my thinking process is, this is from, aside from of what I am saying. What I am saying is the person manipulation. They tends to put angriness, sadness, hurting to the person. I wish Alex Jr. ko is watching this. Proceed myself to talking already. Lloyd Dimson Salvio says the number, and then that number is 534 and then 435. And then during that number, uh, I remember that during on that number, I remember that during June 24, 2017. At the moment, I feel chest pain, but myself is such this and then talking. So during June 24, 2017, I response to Alex Jr. ko, 534, and then the next is 435. What Alex Jr. ko says on my left forehead says on myself, no. Alex Jr. ko says on myself, wait lang, kanya. At the moment, I feel there is a person that is bullying me. And then the voice on my right ear is mother of Alex Jr. ko. Mm. Before that, 534 and 34 and 435, the letter that is being shows on Facebook chat of Alex Jr. ko is if myself could be ang tawag dun? Courtship, 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 meaning to say the clock, the time during that moment, the clock hour when it is, ayan na, there is a person on my right eye that is feels kinikilig and then happy. Hmm. Married kami ni Alex high school, harap-harapan is me. I will continue on talking already. So, ako na yan. Girlfriend is me of Alex Jr. ko since high school. He even touches myself already. Ayun. Kasi me. Should I say that arts is what is called, what is be called of it. Art is what it calls. Hmm, Alex, lover ko. I could not talk. I should talk about it. I am on difficultness on saying about the letter. It is initial letter and then it is hours, hourly. when it comes on to creation of that until that is my life existence wait lang. It is 25 minutes and 30 seconds. I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon. The first, also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Diamantisa Jr. The kabit is on my right eye. Not want that cursor. I am the bride. What I could say about it, I could not talk I could talk about it, but I could not say it. Could not talk. Talk. I will talk. So I post that initial letter on Instagram of my Instagram, and then that I not know if it is regretful to say it to Joylyn Rangel because of I feel a bit I not know why hurting. That is as well the reason why I not want to mondinisin. I not want to talk about it. I want to focus on year 2017 love life of myself to Alex Jr. ko. There is no word regretful on myself. When it comes to I not want to talk about it. My love life is 6 footer. Myself is no matter what age is me. When it comes to Alex Jr. ko, I am on armpit length. My God, I am just one person. I am only for one person as well. Criminality of what is happening on myself is this. There is kabit. My God, 20th century. I never put my life on being kabit. And then I am sensitive person that you do not need to criticize. Dito lang sa unahan. Now the left ear is putting pervertness on my is doing pervertness. about saying yeah they is. So I will now talk about year 2017. Kitam. When I talk about Rangel, what is being when it comes to Joylyn, what is being show is pervertness. Ay, Diyos ko naman. Myself is could not be just behave. I need to talk. I am 29-year-old already. And then this is what they're doing. Killing myself. I will never socialize to those bobo camouflage. I will never socialize. Even police is unobservant. Tahimik ko. My friend ko Alex ko since high school. Of what I sent this live video of myself is truthfulness. All my live video is truthfulness. Even my Facebook live video. That Instagram photo, my username ID in there is CATMG. CATM during year 2017. I need to talk so that I could proceed already. So when it comes into initial words onto hour, onto time on Facebook chat, when I am writing, when Alex Jr. ko offline, I am writing the hour, the clock hour during that moment. When Alex Jr. po will online, I myself tends to Alex ko myself tends uh, to write initial letter. And then from that, myself is I read I read P W D E, then letter K, letter B, letter L, letter G, letter W, and letter N. Meaning of it is uh, pwede ka ba ligawan such that in English word, could I court you, could you be court such that. Oh! I need to talk talaga! Oh, I need to talk. Why? Because maybe there is something what is being shows on my right eye, hurting, and then about nature. And then that is June 24, 2017. During year 24, 2017, I am uh, novena Wednesday. I go to Baclaran for novena during Wednesday. Tagalog. If I talk on Tagalog, try ko. I am scared on the right eye eh. Then English. I will talk in English dialecto. I feel scared on the right eye because black magic. No black magic. Hmm? Wait. Why? No cry. Hmm? I cry. In this 18 onwards. I not want black magic. Wait. Focus is me. And then I not want drama. Love life ko, Alex, ko since high school. I'm just waiting for a person to be out of my right eye so that I could talk. Alex Jr. says that on the Alex Jr. says that on the use of Facebook chat. Now, the person that talks in my ear does not want me to be happy. What Alex Jr. says on Facebook chat, if I could marry him. And then that is what I respond. Number. Yan. I am Konyan. Not gold digger. The person that talks on my right ear is anger towards me. I not want grace po. Killer. During year 2021, 2022. Grace po, the senator. The history said that the about Mary is the second set. Then the third set is that is what I am about to say. That is how it is long from June 14 to June 30. The third set is about me and Alex Jr. ko inside of the house. Not at the house. Huh? What Alex Jr. ko says, kung ako lang kasama mo, ngayon, hindi ka lalagnatin. Ganun. And then during that moment, myself has fever. Oh, kaniyan. Need to talk. So that is year 2017. I have a question. Why they interferes? Yan. I am married to Alex Jr. ko. first year high school. Round color skin. Ganda behave. Interesting scene to next ka. And as well, I like Daldal. Tukad-tuking. Hemik to. Sa only. Tuking-tuking is me. Daldal. Talkative. Behave portion is about romance. That is called romance. Next na. Next. 46 minutes and 16 seconds. I will uh, I will end my video, camera video at the moment.